path, which also uses the obstacle avoidance as a controller, which is an Arduino controller, so that it is programmed in such a way in order to perform required tasks. So coming to literature, we have studied various previous years development regarding project which includes the implementation of autonomous line robot, in which uses the idea. Okay, now coming to the block diagram. The block diagram involves the main sensitive optical IRs and used by the path following, and the buzzer also gives the input to the Arduino Uno, which is given to the motor driver circuit, which drives the motors, which is fitted on the left and right side of it, and the power which is given to the motor driver is through the battery. And here we are basically having four motors and four wheels, in which the two motors on the same leg acts on in one way, and the two motors on the left side will act on the another way. And coming to the working of the project, the main thing is that here it follows the line it follows a specified line, that is a marked scheme, which is a black line on a white surface. Means on a light sensitive surface, the guiding color will be the black and the base color will be the white. And this will travel from the source to its destination, and it also has the obstacle avoidance with the help of the ultrasonic sensor. Means whenever there is a presence of object, this ultrasonic sensor will goes high, which gives the signal to the Arduino Uno, so that according to the pre-programmed code which is installed in the Arduino Uno, it will stop, the vehicle will stop. And this IR sensors is used to detect the lines, so that it will avoid the wrong moves and unnecessary junctions. So this whole will be given to the motor driver circuit, which is used to drive the motors right and left in order to take the specified turns. The next slide. So the whole working of this is being divided into three sections, which is sensor, control, and driver section. The sensor section include the two sensors, which is already discussed before, which is the ultrasonic sensor and the infrared sensor. Now coming to the control section, which is given to the Arduino Uno, and the driver section of the logic state sensors, and which acts as the input to the Arduino, and the output will be given to the input is given to the Arduino, which is sent to the motor driver circuit. Therefore, the output is being received by the motor driver circuit, so that the motors will operate. Now, if there is no black line sensed, then the robot will move forward, which includes the logic state 1 and 1, so that the left and right motor will be moving forward, and the vehicle direction will be moved towards the forward. When the left sensor will senses 1, then means it is going in the wrong way, so that the right motor acts in the counterclockwise direction, so that it will take a left turn and follows follow its path. Similarly, when the right sensor will sense 1, that means it is deviating from its way, so that the left motor will act and turn it towards the right. When there is no presence of white line, means only black line is being present, then all the states all the motor left and right motor will be remained in the off state, idle state, so that the movement of the vehicle will be in off state. Next. So
before slide.
So these are the four cases which I have explained before. And coming to the applications, these can be used in various applications in order like in industrial automated equipment carriers, like pick and place robots, which we are seeing in our daily life, in our everyday life, and also to deliver the notifications, means in informations in the office or in the educational institutions and all, and to deliver the medications in the hospitals, that is to ensure the patients are taking the medication or not. Next slide. So the hardware explanation will be continued by my another teammate, Dinesh. Dinesh.
Good morning, sir. This is Dinesh. The first main part of our system is IR sensor, which is used for sensing the path. It is basically an electronic device which throws the IR radiation, and it has two two IR sensors. One is receiver and one other is transmitter. The transmitter sends the IR rays, and receiver is photodiode, which receives the IR rays, and it detects whether there is a white line or a black line. The operating voltage of IR sensor is basically ranging between 3 volts to 5 volts, and the range of detection is 2 to 30 centimeter. It can be adjusted with the potentiometer in the IR sensor. The current consumption of IR sensor is basically 43 milliamps. Next component of our hardware is driver IC, motor driver IC. In this case, we have used L298N, which is a two motor driver IC, and it is a bridge IC which controls two motors at a time. In our case, we have controlled four motors. Means left leg two motors are combined parallelly, and right leg two motors are combined parallelly simultaneously. So logical voltage is 5 for this. Logical voltage is 5 volts, and logical current is around 36 milliamps. Maximum power drawn through this IC is 25 watt. Our next component is again ultrasonic sensor, which is used. Sir, next slide. Sir, hello. Oh. Our next component is ultrasonic sensor, which is used for detection of distance from the obstacle. It is used. It is mainly used for sensing the obstacle present in front to avoid crashing. So it is basically another electronic device, and in this we have programmed such a way that if the obstacle is in certain distance from the robot, the ultrasonic sensor senses the distance and sends a signal to Arduino, which does the work given by us in the code. So the range of this ultrasonic sensor is 2 centimeter to 400 centimeter, and the accuracy is around 0.3 centimeters. And supply voltage is 5 volts DC, and supply current is again 15 milliamps. Next is our brain of our project, Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno is an open source electronic platform in which we can program and use hardwares, connect hardwares to it. It is actually a microcontroller which in which we can program all the things and make this possible. Operating voltage of Arduino Uno is 5 volts, and clock speed is 16 megahertz. It has its DC current is 40 milliamps. So next slide. Our next hardware is battery, which is the energy or power bank of our robot. Sir?
No need of hardware description. You just skip this description and continue next.
The schematic diagram, anything or
Schematic diagram
or
connection diagram.
the whole module. Let's explain the whole module directly.
Okay, sir. Connection. Next slide is connection diagram that will be explained by my friend Vamsi.
Hello.
Yeah, Vamsi, continue.
Sir, can I audible?
Yeah, continue.
Yes, previously my friend explained the equipments and the applications specifications. Now I will explain the connection. Now first the IS sensor connections are connected. Yes, first we take breadboard as two paths. One is ground and one is VCC, that is voltage. Now IS sensors are connected. IS sensors are two. IS sensor one VCC is connected to breadboard VCC, and IS sensor two IS sensor